Today I'm here on Wall Street during one of the worst financial crashes in history. My goal is to talk to the people and figure out the best way to invest during this crash. And I also want to try to get into the New York Stock Exchange. So here we go. What's going on, man? You guys think you could be in our YouTube video for a second?
No.
Sorry. Would you be in my YouTube video for a moment?
Sorry, brother.
Look, we getting in there today. I don't know how. We're gonna do it. We're going into the stock exchange. You be in our video for 1 second?
No.
Okay.
You okay?
All right, guys, they're not taking me seriously enough, man, so something's gotta change. My boy looks like a criminal right now. We need to get him right. Yeah, we really need like the perfect, simple stock exchange outfit. Yeah. I'll buy this. All right. Think I'm ready for the stock exchange now?
I think you're ready for the stock exchange.
All right, let's get it. Thank you, man.
Of course, man. You have a good one.
See you later. It's go time.